morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Theodora MFA, so subscribe to the channel. So guys, it's Saturday. I've been trying so hard to film during the weekdays, but it's not for the week. Plus this cold, it's crazy out here. The cold is so crazy. I can hardly even get up to go to work. So it's Saturday. I just woke up. It's currently 12 something, I don't know, and I'm about to tidy up the house. And I don't know if I'll be out today because it's really cold out and it's so windy. It's really cold out, so I'm gonna take you along whilst I do the tidying up of the house, and then I will be cooking something as well, so I'll take you along. The room is not bad. It's not bad at all. It just needs laying of bed or changing of the sheets, and then the bathroom as well. The bathroom, I don't want to talk about it. It's a little mess. It's not a little mess, it's just scattered. My storage stuff are broken. I got something else to replace them, so I just have to do a little tidy up then. Yeah, so let's start it. By the way, I feel like I'm not gonna be comfortable in this once I do the cleaning, so let's change into something more comfortable. I just decided to have my fat at once, and I'm using my tummy belt to send the tiny fat back to its ancestors because I don't know what is doing on my tummy. We are smashing it in 2026. Yeah. I feel like it's not really tight on my body. It feels comfortable, which means it's not really tight. It's not supposed to feel comfortable at all. I mean, it is what it is. Gas is your only problem.
I mean, gas is life.
accountant is here, so hi to him. So it's been such a hectic day, and I just finished cooking. I meal prepped for the whole week, for next week actually. So I just finished and I did my laundry. I need to fold them up into the locker, which is another headache right now. And the bathroom, I don't know whether I'll still do it today, hopefully tomorrow after church. And by the way, I just get so lazy right now waking up on a Sunday to go to church. I don't know that when the weekend comes, I just want to lay in bed and relax, like just chill out. Tomorrow I'll tackle that. And then last week I went out to get some makeup stuff. Oh, I have a trip coming up next weekend. We're planning on going somewhere really nice because I haven't experienced snow before. Like literally, I haven't experienced snow before. So we are going somewhere close to the north of Europe. So I'm gonna take you guys on that trip. Like I can't wait to share all the contents with you all. So these are the stuff that I got. I got powder blush from Kiko Milano. These are some of the stuff that I ran out of. I think I really like the pink. It's just so cute, you know. And then I got this loose powder, yeah, setting powder or loose powder. It's also so cute. Like I feel like my makeup is about to eat right now. Like I'm trying so hard to be really good when it comes to my makeup, so I'm investing so much into this product. Oh, how do I open this? Damn, it's not opening. This, I actually have this. I previously got the same thing, but this one is a bit lighter than my skin. It's 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and this one is a bit lighter than the previous one that I used. So when I tried it at the shop, it was so good, so I had to buy it. The last two things, this is I think a lip gloss. Yes, I've used this also before. It was so good. Like I mostly get compliments on it right from school, so I got this in another shade since the previous one is finished. And then the last one, oh yeah, pencil, brows pencil. I don't really tackle my brows, like tackle it so much, but I just feel like this one is so good and it looks like very quality to me. I also tried it at the shop. It's a little bit darker, but you can try to wipe it off a little bit after applying it so it doesn't look so much dark. I wanted to take the brown one, but it was so much lighter, so I chose not to take it anymore. So these are the things that I got. I think everything cost me about 60 something euro for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Yeah. What I'm seeing, it's fucking cold. Like it's so cold, and there are some points that are in the sea surfing. Like what the fuck? You know they feel cold. This makes me cold. I don't know, but oh my god, let me show you. I'm freezing. Like I'm literally freezing, and these people are in the sea surfing. So I just got back from taking a stroll around and I saw a text from somebody actually, and I'm kind of the thing is, I know like one way or the other everybody needs somebody in life life to be able to do certain things. But there are this kind of people that when you help, like they don't even return to say thank you for the assistance or the help. So this person that I'm talking about is somebody that I assisted with scholarship application. Okay, yours didn't go on well. You ignore. I didn't even know it didn't go on well. Somebody told me about it. You never tested. It's been over a year. Like it's almost 2 years. It's been over a year, and now you are texting me for like what? And I know I'm the kind of person that likes to assist because I believe in like you should always consult people that kind of have your vision or you aspire to be in certain things. So if somebody has done something which really inspires you and you also want to take that path, you can consult them. So for me, I like giving out advice, stuff like that. And over the few years that I've been giving out, I can tell you for a fact that there are reasons, and people have reasons which are very tangible that they don't want to help people. Tell me why. Apart from this person, there was one other person that came to my DM. Actually, somebody recommended her that I should assist her with her visa processing. After assisting her, I wanted her to bring me something from Ghana because she was coming to my university, like cooking oil, red oil for cooking. This person told me that she won't be able to take it. And I mean, you have your choice, but what is wrong? And the reason she was giving me, I don't have a problem with that. Like, you choose whatever to do. But just know that because of you, the few that have done this, there is no way I, MFA Theodora, is going to help the incoming people. I don't know what you have to say about it, but I've made it a choice. There is no way I'm going to help anybody to come to apply for scholarships, to come to school, or to even assist with writing letters and stuff like that, because I usually do that. I can take somebody's CV, I revamp it, and then I write them statement of purpose for their applications. Like, I just have that soft heart in assisting people. And actually, there is also this person that is also currently in my university. Last year, whilst I was in Malta, I needed a document from my school to prove that I'm actually done with my coursework and I'm only left to graduate because of the job applications that I was applying for. And I actually got in touch with this person. Like, the excuse, like, I don't get it. And this is a letter that I was gonna use to get a job. Like, what is it gonna take you to just assist somebody? What is it gonna take you? It's not even gonna take you, like, it's not taking anything tangible from you. So why not assist? You might have your plans and stuff like that, but at least if you can, just help somebody. Like, and this year I've made it a point to actually delete any person that is of that energy in my circle. So there are some people that, if you're seeing this video, just know that it's because of the decision that I've made for myself moving forward. Like, I don't even reply to your message because damn, you don't add any value to my life. Before you even came in, like, I was living my damn life. I was actually doing everything for myself, and me adding a value to you to be where you are, and I needed something and you were not able to return it. Like, I'm not entertaining that kind of energy again. So just know that don't waste your time texting me over and over again, because I'm not going to reply. Live your life. If you want something, go to somebody else to help you. I mean, okay?